Welcome to the Brooklyn Brothers. Hey, today we're going to show you how to make Orzo al Forno, baked Orzo. It looks good. Unbelievably easy and so delicious.
And quick too.
Yeah, it'll hit the spot.
Oh, look at that Orzo. Oh, that's beautiful.
Anyway, let's get cooking. You know, tomato sauce is a very important ingredient. It is the key ingredient for making a lot of southern dishes like lasagna, eggplant parmesan, manicotti, cannelloni, or even just a plain bowl of spaghetti. So it's real important that you have a really good tomato sauce before you start these recipes. All right, we're gonna start making our tomato sauce for the Orzo al Forno, which is baked Orzo. It's an easy pasta dish and it is so delicious. All right, let me show you what we got. It's just onions, garlic, fresh basil, salt and pepper, you know, some extra virgin olive oil, and of course some plum tomatoes, San Marzano. All right, first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and add about a cup of extra virgin olive oil. And we're going to go ahead and let this heat up before we throw the onions in there. So we want to keep the oven on a medium temperature here. All right, oil's nice and hot. We're going to go ahead and add 1 cup of finely diced onion. You want them finely diced because you want the tomato sauce to have a nice smooth consistency. And we're going to add the garlic in about 5 minutes. We'll let these fry up. And then we're going to go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Let that pepper infuse in the olive oil while the onions are cooking. Now, while the onions are cooking, we're going to go ahead and puree whole plum tomato. We're going to go ahead and fill up the Ninja here, and we're going to go ahead and puree these tomatoes. I'm going to go ahead and put about 2 cans in here. We have a total of 4 cans. When you bake Orzo, it's going to absorb all the sauce, so we're going to make sure you have a lot of sauce. And like I said, if you just want to cook 1 pound of pasta, just put, 2 cans of whole fat tomato and you'll be good to go. There we go. Go ahead and set it on the blender here. Now we're going to blend these up for about 15 seconds. Are blended up nicely. We're done. Let's go ahead and pour the rest of this in a bowl. And as soon as the onions and garlic are all cooked, we'll go ahead and add this. Onions have been cooking about 5 minutes. Now we're going to go ahead and add the garlic. And we're going to fry these up until the onions are golden brown. We want to get as much flavor out of these onions and garlic as possible. I'm going to go ahead and just take about 6 basil leaves and let that cook inside the oil. Let that get all infused inside that delicious oil. Okay, onions are nice and golden brown. Very lightly golden brown. You don't want to make them too dark because the garlic will become bitter. So now we're going to go ahead and add our pureed tomatoes. And this was 4 cans. And now we're going to go ahead and add 4 teaspoons of salt. 1 per can. Beautiful. I'm going to mix that in. Then we're going to go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of Reggiano Parmesan cheese. nicely grated. And then we're going to go ahead and just finish it off with some fresh basil leaves again. I like to put the fresh basil before and after because, of course, we want the basil to infuse in the oil, give that great flavor. But then we want to give the tomato sauce a fresh basil flavor also. There we go. So now we're going to let this cook for about an hour on the same medium heat. And then once it starts to boil, go ahead and lower it. There we go. We'll be back. All right, the sauce is coming along. You want to remember, folks, to keep stirring this pot. And, you know, depending on the thickness of the pot, you know, you really need to watch the tomato sauce because it can burn very easily. And once it burns on the bottom, that whole sauce is ruined. So you want to frequently stir the sauce.
You know, we always have that major controversy. Is it sauce or is it called gravy? You know, when you're cooking just tomatoes, I call that sauce. But when you're cooking meats inside the tomatoes, that's gravy.
Okay, the sauce is boiling now. I'm going to go ahead and lower it. But I've been frequently stirring this to make sure it doesn't stick on the bottom or burn on the bottom. So now we're going to go ahead and let it cook for about another 40 minutes. All right, the sauce has been cooking for about an hour now, and it is ready. I'm going to go ahead and start our orzo.
All right, today we're going to do something real easy and quick. We're going to do a baked orzo. We got some nice imported orzo here from Italy. We're going to just mix it with some really good sauce and a lot of mozzarella cheese and bake it in the oven. I used to do this for my Christmas party at Daddy Jack's as one of the dishes. Because all the employees wanted it.
Can you blame them? Okay, cook 2 pounds, right?
Yeah.
How much you gonna cook them? Not all the way, right?
No, we're just gonna cook them real al dente because we're gonna have to bake them in the oven for about 45 minutes.
Oh yeah.
So.
Those orzo are gonna absorb all that tomato sauce. Nice. Coming along.
Yep, a few more minutes.
Right.
All right, our pasta's ready. It's al dente, little more than al dente. That's how I like my pasta, but anyway.
Well, it's gonna cook a lot more.
Yeah.
In the oven.
We're gonna go ahead and drain this. All right, let's get some sauce in here. You got the mozzarella?
Yeah.
Mozzarella. Oh, this is so good.
Yeah, looks great. Give me a spoon. I'm ready. Just like that.
Oh, yeah. Right. Butter and Parmesan cheese and parsley, just like that. All right. We got about a pound of
Whole milk.
diced up whole milk, low moisture mozzarella.
Beautiful.
We'll just dump that all in there. We're gonna put a little
Bucadelli,
Romano.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Now we're gonna put some sauce on the bottom of the pan. Oh shit!
Oh, it's beautiful.
This soaks up a lot of sauce. So
Yeah.
we have about 4 cans right here. All right, we're just gonna dump this in there.
Oh, nice. Oh, look at that. Beautiful.
It's gonna swell up a little more because it's not cooked yet, especially when it soaks up
Sauce.
the sauce. All right, now we're gonna add some sauce.
Tomato sauce. Beautiful. God, this is gonna feed about anywhere from 8 to 16 people.
2 to 3 people.
Hungry people.
We'll save a little sauce on the side just if we.
Beautiful. Oh man.
Oh, isn't that nice? Now we're gonna add some fresh. Some mozzarella, shredded mozzarella to the top, also.
Yeah, that's whole milk. Oh, this is comfort food at its best. Oh yeah. All right. Now we're gonna get it covered up.
Yeah, cover it up with some foil. Add a little more cheese to that.
Parsley.
Some parsley.
Beautiful.
Oh man.
Oh man, it looks great. Get it covered and popped in the
All
oven.
right, we got it covered up. Now we're gonna throw it in for about 30, 40, 45 minutes.
Oh, nice.
And then we'll be ready to eat.
All right, we'll be back.
All right, we're gonna take this out of the oven. It's been like 40 minutes, a little over 40 minutes.
Nice. Let's check it out. The unveiling drum roll. Oh man, look at that. Oh wow. Oh, that is absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Oh man. Oh yeah. It's wonderful. There you go, mother. Dominic, get yourself some. There's some cheese now. There's some black pepper. Oh yeah, this is great. You gotta try this recipe, folks. It is absolutely the ultimate comfort food right here. Get some pepper. And also hit that notification button so this way when we have a new video coming out, you'll be notified and you can check it out.
Want some?
Oh, look at that. Cheesy. This is Italian mac and cheese right here.
Mom, you want pepper?
I did take it.
Wow. A little bit more. I'll be good to go. Oh, yeah. All right. Dig in, mother.
The others didn't want to eat yet.
Oh, they'll eat in a little while.
No, we're not feeding them today.
No.
Joking. It's just a joke. Hey, Dom.
Come and get it. All right. This is the first bite. Wow.
Good, huh?
Very, very good. Wow. Oh man. The sauce, the cheese, unbelievable. Anyway, folks, thanks for watching. We appreciate the subscribers, and we'll see you guys next time.
Thank you.
Ciao.
See you for next Sunday's dinner.